Have you ever seen a fruit that looks like a bomb? This is the worst-tempered fruit that looks like a grenade when it explodes. When you walk under the tree of the bomb tree, do not think that the fruit on the tree is a watermelon, then you will be in great danger. Because the fruit on the tree can fall and explode at any time. The flesh of the bomb fruit is sticky and smelly, and if the fruit falls from the tree, even if you don't get hit, you will still be stunned by the stench. When the fruit of the bomb tree is ripe, it is a time bomb that will explode at any time. When the fruits explode, under strong air pressure, their power is no less than a grenade. Fruit shells will also be blown up to 20 meters away. In addition, the sap inside the bomb tree can also be used as fuel. Is not it very amazing? Why this fruit will explode? Analyzed by scientists, the body of the bomb tree contains a large number of hydrogen compounds, which is the reason why the fruit will explode. So you know what the flavor of the bomb